Hi, welcome to seventh grade math. I'm Lynette Frederick, and I've been teaching seventh grade math for the last 5 years. This is my 6th year of teaching seventh grade math. And before that, I have taught special education here and in other school districts around. Seventh grade math has 3 focuses. They all center around fractions. And we start out the school year doing unit rates and ratios, and then working directly with fractions. Eventually, then we build equations and solve equations, and towards the end of first semester into second semester, and that leads us into then percentages. We finish up the school year working with statistics and probability, and then geometry as well. I use Khan Academy, MobiMax, and Google Classroom in here to help us stay on track, to stay focused, to get extra practice. If you are ever on remote learning due to being quarantined, you can find the Zoom link in Google Classroom. I will post it there, or it is already there. Usually every week I move it to the top of our Google Classroom if someone has been quarantined from our class. You can always reach me through email. You can use the school email directly, or you can go through the Skyward system to email me as one of your students' teachers. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have a question or you have a concern about what you are seeing at home. I will promise I will do the same about what I am seeing in the classroom if I have any questions or concerns. If you have any other things that you think I need to know, again, email is the best way to get a hold of me. So far, I've enjoyed all of our 7th graders. They are great kids. They are working hard on our rates and ratios with tables right now, and soon we'll be moving forward with that and building new things and new experiences. Again, it's nice to meet you, and hopefully someday soon we can meet in person. Thanks.